Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the chart of USD CAD 4 hours chart. If you have watched my previous video on USD CAD, then though USD CAD was trading above this support, but still I clearly mentioned that symptoms are not good for USD CAD, and I clearly mentioned that whenever you'll find market testing a level too much, there is always a good chance of market breaking the level. And you can see that as per our expectations, market broke the support, and you can see how sharp selling came into the market. So this is the main importance of understanding the market psychology. See, we all know about that we need to buy at support, sell at resistance. We all know about it, but still 90% and more than 90% retail traders lose money because we fail to follow few basic rules of the market. First of all, we fail to follow the trend of the market, and secondly, we fail to understand the psychology of the market. Okay, so let's get started and let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of USD CAD and what should be our strategy for Monday. So market is trading at, or the last traded price of market was 1.252465. This is the last traded price, and if we look at the present trend of the market here, okay, then we can clearly see that there is a heavy selling going on in the market. Okay, and if we look at the overall trend of the market, then we can see that overall trend of the market is sideways. So as we all know, in sideways market, the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. Nobody is dominating the market. So overall market is sideways, and the present trend of the market is very much towards the downtrend. Therefore, at this moment, presently, sellers are dominating the market. Clear? So our second important point is area of value. I have been talking about area of value in hundreds and hundreds of videos because finding out the area of value is very crucial for the market. Okay, so in a downtrend market, whenever we see a downtrend market, okay, in downtrend market, the best trading opportunity or the best selling opportunity or the best price to short the market is always near the resistance, because you get the best price to short the market in the downtrend market always at the resistance. So in this market, the first resistance that we have is the price level of 1.2610. yes, this is the first resistance for the market because this level belongs to the weekly chart, and previously this level was acting as the support for the market, and as market has broke the support, so the same support will be acting as the new resistance for the market. So 1.2610 is the new resistance for the market. Okay, so in case market goes up after the market opening, okay, then we will only short the market. Yes, we will only short the market at 1.2610 level. Clear? This is our first trading opportunity on USD CAD. If market goes up, we will short the market at 1.2610. Keep in mind that confirmation is always important. Yes, only short the market if market reverses. It means that if we get a shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern at the resistance, we will short the market. Clear? Second trading opportunity is the level of 1.2425. this level, you can see that previously whenever market has faced some selling pressure, this was the level that provided support to the market. Okay, so 1.2425 is the support for the market, and yes, this is a sideways market. Overall trend is sideways. It means that buyers are also present in the market. Right now sellers are dominating, but in the overall scenario, buyers are also present. Therefore, if market bounces from 1.2425 level, we can go for buy. Just make sure, yes, listen to me carefully because we are dealing with the market psychology here. Okay, So if the same selling pressure continues, do not think about buying, because the selling pressure is too high, and whenever the selling pressure is too high, the market usually breaks the support. Okay, so in case on Monday if you find market trying to take support here, okay, then you can go for a buy if market bounces. How you'll get the confirmation? You'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer, bullish engulfing pattern here, or if you see that market is forming red candles, big red candles also, no need to buy. No need to buy. Forget about buying. Only go for buy if market forms a hammer pattern, if market forms a bullish engulfing pattern. If you find market taking support, then only. You must try to understand first whether market is taking support or not, whether the previous selling pressure is gone or not, then only you should go for buy. Okay, so that is your second trading opportunity. The first trading opportunity is shorting the market at the weekly resistance. Second trading opportunity is if market bounces from this particular level, we will go for buy. And the third trading opportunity is if market breaks the level. Yes, the market at present market is under the dominance of sellers, so there is a good possibility of market breaking the level and going down. So in case market breaks the level, wait for 2 to 3 hours, 4 hours, and just see how the market is doing. If you see that after a couple of hours the same selling pressure is present in the market, then you will get the confirmation that yes, the level of 1.2425 as the support is no longer valid, and you can short the market. Yes, you can short the market below 1.2425, and this will be your third trading opportunity. Okay, so if market breaks the level 1.2425, you can short the market below it, and that will be your third. If market bounces, go for buy. Just make sure, try to understand the market psychology, just try to understand the market emotion. Okay, and if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, in the Forex sentiment meter you can see that 76% retail traders have taken long position and only 23% retail traders have taken short position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. So there is a good possibility of market breaking the level only. Let's see. Let's wait for the market to open, and then we will decide. Just make sure that you are trading with proper analysis, proper logic, and do not take any impulsive trade. And whatever you do, always use stop loss and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And my dear friends, last month I have launched the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market with you. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website avilashhazarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information what this buzz is all about. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday again.